Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. What is artificial intelligence hallucination? What is AI hallucination? AI models present incorrect responses in an authentic and confident tone. These false fabricated responses that appear to be correct are known as AI hallucination. Let us quickly understand this with an example. Let's say a user wants to buy a car and prompts AI to show top 5 car models. AI might respond with top 5 car models which are latest and which are in trend. This is a good response of AI. AI might also respond to the user with a mixed reply by showing 3 latest cars and 2 discontinued cars. AI might also confidently show all discontinued car models to the user. The user is looking for latest models, but AI is showing all discontinued car models with confidence. Then this misleading response is AI hallucination. If you are very new to AI, then don't worry. Let us understand AI hallucination with a simple example. User shows an image that contains apple to AI, and user asks AI, is this apple? AI respond, this is not apple, this is tomato. But in reality, the image contains apple. This misleading reply is AI hallucination. If you are curious to know what causes AI hallucination and how to fix AI hallucination, then a detailed video is available at the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching.